Welcome back to my YouTube channel Steel Storm Garage. This is the 2026 BMW M2, a compact performance coupe that captures the raw essence of BMW's M division with modern tech, bold styling, and track-worthy engineering under the hood. The 2026 M2 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, pushing out an impressive 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels, and you still have a choice between a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic, a rare and welcome option in today's performance market. Performance is thrilling. The M2 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4 seconds flat, and thanks to its short wheelbase and M2 chassis, it delivers sharp, responsive handling that makes every twist of the road feel alive. Adaptive M suspension, an active rear differential, and precise steering give it a planted, confident feel whether you're carving corners or hitting the track visually. The 2026 M2 keeps its bold, aggressive character. The wide front grille, flared wheel arches, quad exhaust tips, and large air intakes instantly signal its performance intent. For 2026, there are subtle design updates, including new aerodynamic details, revised LED lighting, and exclusive M paint options that really make it stand out. Inside, the M2 is pure driver focus with a premium touch. You get M Sport seats with enhanced bolstering, an M-specific digital instrument cluster, and a curved dual-screen setup, combining a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment display running BMW's latest iDrive system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon sound system are included on higher trims. While it's built for speed, the M2 doesn't compromise on safety or daily usability. You'll find adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, parking sensors, and even a head-up display to keep your eyes on the road. What makes the 2026 BMW M2 special is its pure driving connection. In a world of electric and autonomous tech, the M2 stays true to the fundamentals: powerful engine, rear-wheel drive, a manual gearbox, and razor-sharp dynamics. It's compact, aggressive, and unapologetically focused on fun. Whether you're attacking the track or just enjoying a Sunday drive, the M2 is a modern-day performance icon that delivers excitement every time you fire it up. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.